You might have scrolled through many videos on the topic to get rich, but none of them has provided you with the information that we will tell you in this video. In this video, we will tell you the 14 proven tips that will make you rich for sure. The next 10 minutes will be a life changer for you, so keep watching the video till the end. Now let's start. 1. Create a documented strategy for your money. If you commit your financial goals to paper, you'll be more likely to follow through. If you follow its advice, you'll be able to realize your wildest ambitions and realize your deepest desires. Some individuals never amass millions of dollars in wealth because they fail to establish a detailed strategy for their financial future. 2. Discover methods to enhance your income. Saving your way to $1 million is next to impossible in the current economic climate. If you want to be wealthy, the first and foremost thing you need to do is concentrate on raising your income in increments and keep doing so. You may increase your income in a number of ways, including investing in firms with a high return on investment and taking on side hustles. Do press the red subscribe button and also the like button if you want to know the best investing tricks. 3. Diversify your income sources. A total of 3 streams were recorded by 65% of the self-made billionaires questioned by author Thomas Corley, 4 streams by 45%, and 5 streams or more by 29%. Get a second job, put some money into investments, start a side business, and rent out your house, vehicle, and other belongings. Passive income is very easy to start. You may check out the best passive incomes by clicking on the Add button. 4. Set up auto debit savings. Are you looking to become a billionaire in a flash? Aim to have your savings automated. Regular contributions to SIPs or an emergency fund in a money market fund may help you form the habit of saving. Unless you automate your savings, this won't work. Part of your money will be taken out of your paycheck and put into your contributions automatically. 10% should go into investments and 5% into savings. 5. Raise your level of expertise. Quoted as saying, read at least 30 minutes a day, listen to relevant podcasts while driving, and seek out mentors vigorously, the advice of 22-year-old Tucker Hughes, who became a billionaire. Being an expert in your profession isn't enough to make it to the Billionaire Club. You should be an expert on every topic imaginable, whether it's politics, the economy, or sports. Prioritize your quest of knowledge above all else and absorb it like oxygen. This video you are watching now is also a source of knowledge for you. Learning can really be entertaining, just like this video is. 6. Keep your spending in check. The world's wealthiest people are known to be quite thrifty. Designer and luxury goods do not cost them an arm and a leg. Owning modest houses and autos, they are also renowned for living within their means. For example, one of the wealthiest men in the world, Warren Buffett, paid $31,500 for his home in 1956 and has never since purchased a mansion of even greater size and splendor. You may invest your money, but don't waste it on useless stuff like new cars and new iPhones. 7. Discharge your credit. Cutting down on borrowing is a must if you want to amass wealth. Credit is a tool that millionaires use sparingly, which helps them keep their debt under control. Credits can keep you poor, and thus you should avoid it, but if you are using it for investing, then you are doing great. 8. Hang out with rich people. If you want to know how wealthy you are, just look at your closest friends. You may learn a lot and get a lot of financial advantage by hanging around with folks who are already doing well in life. Because we prefer to mirror those around us, it stands to reason that successful individuals gravitate toward other successful people. You must make partnerships with successful and rich people. 9. generating income without putting in work. Examples of residual passive income include assets that guarantee a consistent flow of income without requiring any work on your behalf, as well as earnings from a job that you once had but no longer execute. This includes advertising space on websites or blogs, as well as digital commodities such as ebooks, online courses, seminars, or films. Other examples include online courses and seminars. It is also possible for you to get royalties from books that you have authored. Purchasing dividend-paying stocks is yet another method of generating passive income without actively doing anything. Alternatively, you may register for a cashback shopping club that provides you with incentives for products that you have previously purchased, rent out a spare bedroom, or establish an online business. 10. Get your own company off the ground. Therefore, if you want to be wealthy by the time you are 30 years old, you should seek for possibilities to develop money that pays off more quickly than typical long-term investments. One of the best ways to achieve financial independence is to launch and grow your own business. As a company owner, you are exposed to a greater degree of risk, yet the potential benefits are almost limitless. Businesses are the primary source of income for the great majority of the world's multi-billionaires. 11. Be brave and be daring. If you want to become a millionaire, you have to go outside of your comfort zone. On the other hand, success is often the consequence of taking calculated chances, despite the fact that it is safer to adhere to tried and true techniques such as having a regular income and stable work. It is imperative that you do not let fear discourage you. You must come to terms with the fact that there are alternative ways to achieve your goals if you want more. 12. Find and identify trustworthy role models. Having just graduated from college, you are tasked with the responsibility of bearing a significant load as you negotiate the many dangers and obstacles that lie ahead on your path to success and prosperity. The guidance of a seasoned mentor will show to be quite beneficial in the long run. It is possible that a great mentor may provide you with an additional set of ears and eyes that are informed while you are going through difficult moments. A mentor is someone who has been in your shoes and can provide you with a more comprehensive perspective by sharing their own experiences. 13. You should invest money in yourself. Always keep in mind that you are the most precious possession that an individual has. Investing money in yourself is necessary if you want to broaden your range of possibilities and access the most advantageous chances. To do this, you must first conduct an in-depth analysis of your talents, interests, and strengths, and then design a strategy to maximize the potential of these aspects of your personality. 14. Aim the highest. Having a fresh view on the world and being young gives you an advantage. You may be able to see opportunities that adults fail to recognize. To explore where your creative energies lead you, you should let them run freely. Think about things that are bigger than your own small ego and give them some consideration. If you think big and dream big, then you will have the zeal to achieve big. Many of my friends dream small, so they couldn't even meet their expectations. That's all for today. These are the true and tried methods to get rich. The rich people like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Robert Kiyosaki, Elon Musk, Charlie Munger, Bill Gates, and all said these tips in their interviews. Press the red subscribe button if you want to know more amazing tips and tricks to get rich. We regularly upload amazing financial videos which will help you to earn millions of dollars. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Remember, these tips will help you only if you follow them. If you just keep this in mind and not follow or android these, then you could never achieve success. We specially made this video for the people who were searching for tips and tricks to get rich. You must also start investing, but only after proper research. Each and every millionaire has invested their money into various areas, and you must also do the same. Press the like button below if you learned something new from this video. Add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions or questions. Thanks for watching the video till here.